Hi colleagues, welcome to this course, Developing Your English Proficiency Toward C1, C2. I'm Moises Alcantara and will be the facilitator of this course. This course starts on April 3rd and ends next May 9th. I'll tell you a little more from Canvas, just where I am now. Canvas is the learning management system we'll use for this course, a platform that you've used before in the needs analysis stage of this course. That means you have access and need to just continue as I'm showing you now. Needs analysis. Start here with the welcome module and then on to module 1. This course is made up of 3 modules. Module 1 is writing original and engaging essays or articles. Module 2 is the ECP speaking test. And Module 3 is the ECP reading section. The ECP listening section has been embedded in each of the 3 modules, and because that's a skill where most participants seem to be needing more practice. Each module is packed with several tasks, as you can see here. This would be module 1 and it's got a lot of tasks. And also we have tight deadlines. And that means the course relies on your commitment, professionalism, and dedication for its successful completion so that you take ECPE next May confidently and competently. The course also depends on you for peer assessment. Please be diligent in submitting your assignments and in assessing your peers' work when that's the case. Modules will open on the indicated dates. For instance, Module 1 opens April 3rd and Module 2 April 14th. This is a blended course with most of the work completed online, but also offers synchronous sessions in each module. Check out the syllabus. Here is the syllabus. Check it out. That's in Welcome to the course. Ana Rodriguez has created a WhatsApp group that you've been using for some time now. I've been added and we can reach out there, or you can email me through Canvas. I'll try to reply as soon as I can. My goal is to help you every step of the way. Please count on me for anything related to the course and for anything about improving your proficiency in the language. This is all for now. Let's stay in touch the following weeks.